Hey guys, what's up? This is very Ready, and in this video we're gonna be talking about the FoxyProxy and why we need it actually. So when you work with the Burp Suite, as you remember, we have to go to the preferences and then change the network setting each time when we work with the Burp Suite. So you have to go to preferences, and if I go to the preferences, and then you have to go down and find the network setting and click on the setting. Then you have to choose the manual proxy in order to work with the Burp Suite. And you can see as I'm running the Burp Suite as well, I'm using this interfaces or cast the proxy in the Burp Suite. So each time you have to go for that process, and when we're done with the Burp Suite, you have to change the network setting to use a proxy, system proxy, in order to use the internet or browse any website, because our browser send the request to that Burp Suite, and if the Burp Suite is not running, the request is going to drop, and you will not able to access the internet entirely. So in this process, kind of pain to go every time in the proxy setting and change the proxy. So I'm going to show you a way to automate this process, you can say. So this is the FoxyProxy. You have to download this extension. It is actually available on Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, and if I click on that, so as I have actually downloaded that before, so it is not showing anything like add to Chrome or like that, or actually I'm using the Firefox in this case. So it's right here. So you can see I have set up the two proxies right here. So I'm gonna go to the option, and probably you will not see these entries here in the FoxyProxy. So you have to click on the options, and then you have to click on the add. So you have to make the proxy, and you can name anything you want. So I'm gonna just say it's erase for the time being. And in the HTTP proxy, you have to give the exact same IP address, and it is 127.0.0.1. We have the port number 8080, so I like that. So after that, I have to click on the save. You can actually set up the username and password in order to use that proxy, but I don't really think it is necessary, so I just leave it to blank. Click on the save. Okay, that's done. And if I click on here, you can see I'm rename with the Suresh. So if I browse any website like google.com, I can access the internet actually, and I'm not catching the proxy in the Burp Suite. So if I click on the Suresh, and if I go to the proxy and just watch it, see if I refresh this page again, it is not going to load, because we have cached the proxy in the Burp Suite, and we can capture all the requests that is going from our computer to the server. So we can interact with the post method, get method, and we can modify something in the post method as well. This is very important for us in the penetration testing. When you work with the penetration testing, this is very important tool the Burp Suite is actually. So this is all about the the Burp Suite. And if I click on the forward packet, if I forward all the packet, it will load the page actually. So you can work with the Burp Suite using the FoxyProxy. It made all the process just in the go. So you have to click on the FoxyProxy icon, and then you can actually turn off the proxy. And if I turn off the proxy, it is no longer go to the Burp Suite. So that's all about the FoxyProxy. Hope to see you in the next video. Keep watching and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.